Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So in previous video we have discussed about the main idea of this poem, The Rain, that how clearly the poet has expressed his lovely views about the rain and social discriminations found in our society. And today we are going to do reference to the context of this poem. So let's just discuss about the meaning of the reference first. So reference is basically from where the stanza has been taken and who the author is. And in context we discuss about the background information, and then comes the explanation or paraphrase. In explanation we summarize the idea of poet in our own words. We do not change the context, but we summarize it, or you may say that we sum up the idea what actually the poet has told us. So let's quickly read the first stanza. Stanza number 1 we have, I hear leaves drinking rain, I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop, 'tis a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. For the complete explanation of this poem you would have to see the previous video. In this video we are just going to do reference to the context, and the reference of this poem would be that these lines have been taken from the poem The Rain, written by W.H. Davis, and the context would be the poem is a musical display of rain. Undoubtedly, it is a great phenomena of nature, but the poet makes us enjoy it in a unique way. He has highlighted the musical notes hidden in it, and he enjoys the sweet noise made by the leaves while drinking rain. Then comes the explanation, and the explanation of stanza number 1 would be, the poet says that he hears leaves drinking rainwater. He personifies leaves because drinking is a quality that basically belongs to living beings. He says that the leaves on top are rich because they directly receive every blessing of nature in the form of raindrops. Then he hears them giving drop after drop to those who are lower in order. These lines are symbolically explained. In this world, it is the responsibility of the rich to help poor. Now we are going to move towards the stanza number 2. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. So the context would be different, but the reference would remain same of these two stanzas, and the context of stanza number 2 would be, the poem is a musical display of rain. Undoubtedly, it is a great phenomena of nature, but the poet makes us enjoy in it in a unique way. He has highlighted the musical notes hidden in it. He enjoys the sweet noise made by the leaves while drinking rainwater. The poet has an optimistic aspect in it. He is hopeful that it would be a lovely sight to see the sunshine everywhere. Now we are going to summarize or paraphrase the stanza number 2. There is an optimistic note. Optimistic means hopeful note in these lines. The poet imagines that after effects of rain, and he is becoming hopeful. He says that the sun will make the whole scene lovely, and every dark round drop will even reflect the bright sunshine. Symbolically, we can say that the day will come when this world would be free of miseries and sorrows. There would be equality everywhere.